Hello, this is my pet dog, Chubby. He is 1 year old. I got his name from my grandmother. His favorite food is meat, and his favorite toy is my grandmother's slippers. He always sits under a small tree. He sleeps, play, rest, and eat. The reason why I love him because he is always happy and playful. He always plays with his friend Oreo. Or they always run, fight, play, and sleep. Chubby, come. Come. Come, Chubby. Di magminaw. Chubby. Dito ato gawas. Kan dito. Di. Chubby, unya naman imo bahog. Come. Ayo. Chubby, come. Di unya naman kagigutom na ka? Di, jump. Kabalo ka jump? Di gini jump. Di gini jump. Di lak gini, Chubby. Lak gini. Chubby. Chubby. Di, come. Chubby, unya naman kabahugon. Ay. Di ginig paminaw. Di kam bakam. Di ginig paminaw. Chubby. Lah. Ni kam to kuya di. Kam. Halara ka luroy ha.